In today's episode, let's unbox my new sewing machine together. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 in Meltwater Blue. It's out with the old and in with the new. Yeah, I'm so happy. Hi, I'm Jenifer, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be saying goodbye to the old and end with the new. No, this is not a new year, new me video. I'm still overweight. Who cares? This is an upgrade video. I've been gifted by my wonderful number one sponsor, my husband. I've been gifted by my husband a new sewing machine. So that means this little guy, the little engine that could, will be going back into storage. And I will be unboxing my new sewing machine with you all today. I'm really super duper uber gooper schmooper duper excited. I mean, you cannot even measure the excitement in me. Maybe you could by the size of my gap. I'm pretty excited. Here's my cup of the day, the minimalist, sleek, posh one. I'm super excited because I am in a whole nother realm mentally with my business. I want to lean more into my sewing abilities in this next chapter of my business career. I will still do my little resin fake cakes. You can see that little guy back there. I've had an Etsy shop since 2020. It's going on my 5th year in October that I will have had a small business. With that comes a lot of changes. In this change, I want to lean more into my sewing bag, my sewing talent. I'm like a multi-talented fairy. Like I can tinker. I can like figure out most things. I'm a capitalistic fairy. Most of the things that I intend on selling will be upcycled materials that I have thrifted and turn them into something new. It will be a secondhand thing, but first love for others when they get their hands on the items that I intend on making. So I'm really excited about that. I love this machine. This machine has served me well, but it does not, it cannot handle the things that I throw at it sometimes. So it is a great beginner sewing machine. If you look up beginner sewing machine, this sewing machine will pop up, but in different colors. I've seen a purple one, I've seen a pink one, I've seen a light blue, and I've seen this mint green one. Obviously, this is a great beginner sewing machine. It was under $100, served me well for the past few years. Now I'm getting more into the realm where I want to sell what I sew. And I don't think this machine makes it possible for me to sell something that I'm truly proud of. Yeah, I have to say goodbye to this little guy. I love you so much and I will still use you. I'm gonna take this thread off. Brr, brr, brr. Oh, let me, hold on. Brr. Oh, no, wait. Brr, brr, brr. Let me take this thread out. Brr, brr, brr. Okay, I'll put that in the new sewing machine. Anyways, moving on to why we're here. Here's the sewing machine. It is so beautiful. I love it. I haven't even opened it yet. I have my. Okay, so this is the Samsung Heavy Duty 4423. Okay, wow. All right, and it is in the color Meltwater. I love, if you didn't know, I love the colors blue. I love a pastel blue. I love a pastel purple. I love a pastel mint green. I love a pastel pink. I love every color in pastel. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red. No, do they make red in pastel? Wait, question. Is red pastel just pink? Is pink just pastel red? Because that is a shade of red. Oh my god. What? Ooh, okay. my God, straight from the factory smell. Oh God. I don't know if that's like a weird quirk that people have, but whenever I get things, I love to smell things that come from factories or like things that come in the mail. I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know what you call that, but I do that. We have a little dust bag. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So pretty. My first impressions of the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 are that it's very beautiful, but just like the name implies, it is very heavy. The machine doesn't come with instructions on how to use the machine, only how to set up the machine. You will receive instructions on how to set up the bobbin. You will also receive registration forms and a little bag of accessories. We'll get into that later. You also get this thin, posh duster bag. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, get that off. If you're a beginner and you have no idea how to use this machine, how to set it up, I suggest you go on the Singer Sewing Company YouTube channel and they show you tutorials, breakdowns, and also they do sewing tutorials. You will get instructions with your presser foot on how to plug it into your machine. This plug will power your sewing machine and the foot pedal. Now let's go over all the accessories that come with the sewing machine. It comes with extra needles for the sewing machine, a vertical spool pin, a large spool cap, a small spool cap, a buttonhole foot, spool pin felt, a button sewing foot. Oops. A lint brush and ripper. 3 bobbins. You also get a bonus bobbin inside of the machine, a zipper foot, a L-shaped screwdriver, and an edge/quilting arm. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 has a removable tray and you can store all your accessories in it. Put those little guys away. Ta-ta for now. The Singer 4423 has a bobbin threader, dowels that control stitch width, needle position, and tension. Features such as a stitch reverse button and dowels to control the stitch length and stitch type. It also has a built-in needle threader and a general purpose foot already attached. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me unbox the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. I'm so excited for all the future projects I intend on making to be completed and made beautifully with the help of this machine. I'm in this weird realm where I'm not a newbie to sewing, but I do not know everything there is to sew. I cannot wait to go on this new adventure with this sewing machine. I don't know what to call it. I might call it powder. I don't know. I might call it baby blue. I love this color. It just speaks to me. Like, love me. I love you. Thank you so much to my husband. You're my A1 from day one. I love you. Comment down below what you think I should name this machine. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.